He was just riding his bike by the beach. Same route, same rhythm, headphones in, mind clear. Then he sees it. A car rolls through a stop sign. He calls out a warning, and the car suddenly stops. It's not just any car, it's a cop. Next thing he knows, he's the one being stopped. The officer says biking with headphones is a violation. And just like that, a traffic warning turns into a full-blown escalation. Demands, threats, backup. The man stays calm, asserts his rights. He's licensed, legal, and respectful. But none of that matters, because this wasn't about safety. This was about control. I'm Jackson, and this is Law Lens Live, where we break down real encounters between citizens and police, frame by frame. Let's get into it.
Why are you riding with those things on your head?
Sorry?
You're not allowed to ride with those things on your head.
Not a law?
Yes.
I can't ride
You want me to give you a ticket to show you? Don't give me an attitude, because I'll make it very difficult for you. Take your hands out of your pockets. Why are you all over the street?
Am I being detained?
Yes, now you are. Can I see some ID, please? Put the bicycle down.
What did I do?
Put the bicycle down.
What crime did I commit?
I will explain it to you once you give me your identification, please.
What crime did I
Put
commit?
the bicycle down and then
Sir,
stand over
do you
it.
have reasonable and articulable suspicion?
Yes.
Probable cause?
No problem.
What is your reasonable suspicion?
Stand over the bicycle.
What do you mean stand over?
Stand over it the way you were.
Why?
Because I'm asking you to do so.
What is your reasonable suspicion, sir?
Don't pick the bicycle up.
You just said stand
Can
over
I see your
like
driver's
a
license again?
I'm
One more
really
time.
confused. Are you filming?
Registration.
What is your reasonable suspicion? Can I have your sergeant?
I am the sergeant.
What is your reasonable articulable suspicion?
I'm going to ask for your driver's license one more time.
And then what?
And then we'll discuss it. Because I want to know who you
No,
are.
sir. No. Under
Okay.
what law did I break?
423.
Because I had headphones on while I was
Yes.
riding a bike. That's
Yes,
a law?
that's a law.
Can you cite the...
I will once you give me your ID.
No, sir.
Okay.
I'm not going to give you ID if you don't tell me what law I broke. Are you recording on your camera?
Yeah. Don't pick the bite
my
up.
camera.
I'm going to ask for your ID one more time.
No, sir.
No? Grab a
Under
seat.
what law?
Grab a seat on the ground, please.
Under what law?
Grab
Is
a
that a
seat.
lawful order?
Yes.
Under the intention of
Sit
arrest, are
down.
you? Sir, is that a lawful order?
423, copy 1050 on the bicycle. It's going to be Cleveland and Betty. It's going to be white male, brown shorts, gray shirt, red hat, black bike. So I'm going to ask for your ID one more time.
No.
Okay.
I don't believe I committed a crime. And you can't
didn't commit
cite
a
a crime. Okay, then why
You
am I
committed a
being
civil
detained
violation.
right now?
Civil
Then
violation.
why am I being detained right now?
Right now it's going to be obstruction.
Obstruction for what?
Because I've asked for your identification.
Is
you're not
this
giving it to me.
filming? Can you turn your body
100%.
camera on, please?
100% it's
I don't see a light or anything on there, sir.
It's recording you, so is that.
Can we have another officer here?
We're coming with another one.
Sir,
You can have him
I don't
23,
feel
please.
safe right now, man.
This guy's,
I didn't commit a crime. You're detaining me for no reason. You almost pulled out in front of me over there. And I said something, so now you're
No,
abusing
he's
your
just being
authority.
obnoxious. No, I'm not really doing that at all. I've asked for a driver's license.
And
now
I said
6
no,
times.
under what crime did I commit?
I've explained
me-
to you
give
you're
me
wearing
PC.
headphones on your bicycle.
Okay, then
That's enough.
You said it was a citation.
It is.
And not a crime.
It's not a crime.
Is it? Oh, then you have no lawful reason to
I
ask
do.
me for my
It's a
ID.
civil violation.
No, sir.
I'm going to ask you to sit down one more time.
No, sir. Is that a law? Is that under the threat of arrest?
It could be.
Well,
Because my
that's
next step
not
with
a-
you,
that's
if
not
you
a
do not give me your
concise answer.
identification, if you
That
do
is
not
not a
identify yourself,
concise answer.
at this time, sir, I will arrest you for obstruction. So I'm asking you now to sit down, please, because you're making me nervous. I'm asking you to sit down.
Is that a lawful order?
Yes.
Under the threat of arrest.
Yes.
I want to let you know I do have a weapon on me.
That's what I figured.
Yeah. I'm a concealed weapons license holder.
But when were you going to tell me that you had a firearm on you?
I'm under the threat of arrest.
Well, you look could be happening right now.
I didn't commit a crime.
Because I've asked you for your ID now
I did
7
not
times.
commit a crime, sir.
You're riding your bicycle with those headphones on.
Is that a crime? You said it was a citation. Is it a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's a violation.
Is it a misdemeanor
It's enough
or a
for me
felony?
to stop you to talk to you about
Are you
it.
guys recording this? Okay.
Where's the firearm?
It's in my waistband. Appendix K.
You kept reaching for it.
I wasn't reaching for anything.
You kept putting your hands in your pockets.
It's loaded. There's one in the chamber. There's one in the chamber. It's loaded. Okay.
Anything else?
I also have a medical marijuana license, and I have medication.
He hasn't identified himself, so
On
I'm
me.
going to charge him with obstruction.
Obstruction for what crime?
For not identifying yourself upon request.
This is against my constitutional rights.
No, it's not.
This is against my Fourth Amendment right. It
No, it's
absolutely
not.
is.
Absolutely not.
What crime did I commit?
I already explained to you, you were
What
riding your
crime?
bicycle with those
With
headphones on.
Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
It's a traffic citation.
Stand up.
I have the right to detain you.
1, 2, 3.
What's gonna happen to my bike?
It's going to get impounded.
Okay.
Firearm's going to get taken.
Okay.
Are you using any kind of medical marijuana today, or
No, sir.
no? But you have medical marijuana card?
Yes, sir.
All right. Are your eyes normally pinned up?
What do you mean?
They normally look really tiny. Do you use any
I'm
other
gonna
kind of
exercise my
medication?
right to remain silent.
I'm sorry?
I'm gonna exercise my right to remain
Okay.
silent.
Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring another officer over here too to come talk to you. 581 if you can hold her as well.
My wallet is in my bottom right hand pocket.
15 on 14.
I'm good. Thank you. I'm sorry.
Sorry.
So where's your identification, sir? Because it would have been real easy just to give me the ID.
I can go into that glass there, just heard.
Thank you.
10-4.
Are your guys' body cams on?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Trevor Ahern. How hard would that have been? Trevor.
This wasn't about public safety. It wasn't about traffic law. It was about control, about compliance, about punishing a citizen who dared to question authority instead of surrendering to it. So, I'll ask you, was this officer protecting the community or punishing dissent? Was this about the law or about making an example? Drop a comment below and let me know. Because at Law Lens Live, we don't just watch, we question, we analyze, and we hold power accountable.